Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to TCS BGC background verification step by step process explained. In this video we will discuss about everything. Okay, one of the most important point, this video is for TCS Ninja Digital Prime. What is deadline of BGC, non-criminal affidavit, medical certificate, NSR. We will discuss about all the important points. Let's start the video. One of the most important point that I have to mention, okay, and that I already mentioned in all my previous video 2 years ago, okay, 2 years ago on November 2021, I already said this point, okay, that you do not have to submit your documents because you have to submit your all documents at time of joining. Okay, just understand one most important point. If you are uploading your documents in the BGC portal, okay, if you are uploading your documents in the BGC portal and you have that available documents, so simply you have to just save your documents. Okay, don't click on submit option. Again I am saying, okay, I already said this point 2 years ago, okay, just on November 9 2021, that this important point is related to BGC. Okay, that is I already mentioned in the previous video 2 days ago. Okay, so that's the main thing. Again I am saying, okay, you do not have to click on some save like submit option. You have to just save your documents. Let's discuss. I created one like a PPT or PDF for all of you that is related to TCS BGC process. Okay, just understand that first is introduction, TCS BGC process, step by step process, all document process, application status. Okay, TCS BGC process. The first process of TCS BGC is like the portal will open and you will see the next step portal. In the next step portal, okay, you have to like log in through your email ID. The next process is related, this type of status will be shown in which your offer letter, application form, PDF, campus community, track my application, ILP corner, how to apply, background check, certification details, all are saying. I already shared this all updates in my previous video. Please check the video, okay, on our channel. I already shared all the details. This is a BGC related video. Okay, in the BGC process, the first thing is background check form and upload document. You can track your status activity from BGC process. First, you have to initiate the BGC. You have to fill the BGC form, upload BGC document and confirm BGC document. Just understand one my most important point. You have to save the documents. Okay, इससे कोई नेगेटिव इंप्रेशन पड़ने नहीं वाला है या आपकी एप्लीकेशन रिजेक्ट नहीं हो जाएगी. द थिंग इज, if you have available documents, okay, if you have available documents, you can update on the BGC portal and just save that portal. Don't click on submit option here. Okay, and if you are waiting for official mail from the TCS team, okay, if you are wait for official mail from TCS team that they will send mail that you have to upload your BGC document, so आप उस टाइम भी अपलोड कर सकते हैं. ये आपके ऊपर है, कुछ भी नहीं होना है. ठीक है, अपलोड करोगे BGC डॉक्यूमेंट, जब सारे डॉक्यूमेंट्स यहाँ पर अवेलेबल होंगे इंक्लूडिंग योर ऑल सेमेस्टर मार्कशीट, NSR ई कार्ड, मेडिकल सर्टिफिकेट, नॉन क्रिमिनल एफिडेविट, तब जाके आपको कंफर्म करना पड़ेगा. और ये ज्वाइनिंग के 15 दिन पहले करना पड़ता है, ज्वाइनिंग डेट के 15 दिन पहले. ये बात आपको किसी ने नहीं बताई होगी. दैट इज द मेन थिंग. ओके, दैट कि ये आपके ऊपर है. इफ यू आर वेटिंग फॉर ऑफिशियल मेल, डोंट वरी बिकॉज देयर इज नो डेडलाइन इन द BGC. अगेन आई एम सेइंग, okay, the question I already mentioned, what is the deadline of BGC? Till joining your BGC will ongoing. Okay, because the NSR e card, okay, NSR e card, non-criminal affidavit, medical certificate, the link will be active before the 15 days of joining. That's why, that's the main thing, that's the process you have to know. Okay, when you click on TCS BGC process, so the background check form is started. So in the instruction, basic details are there, academic and other details and declaration. The form is divided into following section. Basic details, academic and declaration. Field with asterisk in the sections are mandatory. So say some of the details you entered in the TCS application form will be in the, you can review and edit some of detail. In case any changes, in order to make changes uneditable detail, write us to at ilp.support@tcs.com. Okay, to save the details and continue to submit the form, click submit BGC form and declaration section. Okay, That's the next thing is related to in the background check form. They will ask your name, date of birth, email address, do you have PAN card, permanent account number, okay, and PAN and passport details. Do you have e-PAN card, permanent account number, do you have passport, house, road, street, country. For passport is mandatory, okay. Without passport, like your process is not like वो consider नहीं करेंगे. That's why you have to make your passport. I suggest you to make your passport as soon as possible, because as we know that 2024 batch is graduated, and most probably in the next month we will receive all type of documents. That's why we can expect joining, okay. So in that they will ask, are the permanent address and present address same, okay, and the TCS BGC process, in which instruction is there, basic details, name, detail, passport, academic and other detail, postgraduate, reference details, security details and other details. In the postgraduate form you have to fill all of your details, okay, that is related to your graduation, post graduation, okay. In the reference you have to fill your name, company, institute name, designation, contact, email ID, relationship with the applicant, no relative and friend. They clearly mention that. So in that case you can mention your college TPO or college HOD sir, okay. So in which you can mention their name, what is the company, institute name, designation, contact number, email ID, period for which reference know the applicant, minimum 2 years. You are in college, you are doing a BTech from 4 year or ME MTech from 2 year, so your college faculty know you, so you can give the reference of them, okay. Next thing is related to security details. Are you involved in any pending or closed criminal case, proceeding, charges, inquiry prior to joining TCS? Are you involved in any pending, closed disciplinary malpractices institution prior to joining TCS, okay. The next thing is related to other details. Do you have multiple name or name change in any of the document as required to part of like background check process? They are asking. Reordering of first name as last name is not considered as a name change, okay. Do you have a NSR E card? Yes or no, okay. We will discuss about the NSR. First we will discuss the document checklist, okay. They mention in the document checklist, Aadhaar card is there, 10th mark sheet, 12th mark sheet, 12th mark sheet or equivalent diploma mark sheet, certificate, graduate mark sheet, graduate certificate. Medical certificate is also important, birth certificate, birth affidavit, PAN card, passport, NSR E card, address proof, okay. Other qualifications are there. Just understand my most important point. This is the document list and they clearly mention all document marked with asterisk are mandatory. Rest of document will be mandatorily only if applicable. So if you understand non-criminal affidavit, they even not mention about the asterisk, okay. So ये जो उन्होंने लाल कलर से मेंशन कर रखा है स्टार, इसका मतलब है कि ये सारे मतलब मैंडेटरी हैं, ठीक है. अब मैं आपको एक चीज़ बताता हूँ जो आपको किसी ने नहीं बताई होगी. Why we are not submitting the BGC? Okay, just understand my most important point. Your all documents are not available at this moment because I talked to candidates. Some of them mentioned they did not receive the PDC, they did not receive the 8th semester result yet. Okay, so it is simple as that. Till your joining date, okay, the process is ongoing. The BGC process is ongoing. Okay. Before you joining the TCS, suppose your joining date is 20 August, okay. So before 20 August, you have to complete and confirm your BGC process. So on the joining date, you will successfully join the TCS company because before the joining process, they given you time. You have to arrange all your documents. You have to upload all the available documents. And if you are waiting for remaining documents, so that also you have to upload. After that your BGC is completed. That's the main thing, okay. So this is the mandatory document that is very, very important. Let's discuss, like this is a declaration form. You have to click on I agree and submit BGC form, okay. So just understand that this is declaration. So when you click on initiate BGC, okay, so you already fill the BGC form, okay. That is not a main submit option, okay. Like you already fill the BGC form. Now the process is upload BGC document. After that the confirm BGC document is there. In the upload BGC document, address proof are there, passport, ration card, Aadhaar card, driving license, electricity, credit card, debit card. Are the permanent address and present address same? Yes. Okay, successfully uploaded, you uploaded. What is Aadhaar card, PAN card, copy of original document? Okay, passport. In case you do not have passport, please upload the passport application receipt. So when you apply for the passport, so they will give the application receipt, okay, in which all the details has mentioned that you applied for the passport. So it is needed, okay, you have to submit that. But I suggest you to apply for passport as soon as possible. So it is very, very important for you because it is mandatorily process. Okay, in that thing they clearly mention that the passport is mandatory. Okay, the passport is mandatory, that's why I'm mentioning again and again. Okay, so that's the thing. Next thing is related to NSR e-card and birth certificate, birth affidavit. Okay, so please upload your birth certificate in any of the below 3 scenario. In case you do not have possesses a birth certificate, if birth certificate is in regional language, if birth certificate does not have your name mentioned, so you have to upload your birth affidavit or both printed on a 100 rupees stamp paper as per the guideline. NSR e-card, the link will be activated only 15 days prior to your joining date. So just understand one my most important point. 2 years ago I already said for NSR pin you have sufficient time, you can generate and submit later. Okay, you have to prepare and ready all documents before joining. Okay, when the joining date is there, only 5 to 10 days is remaining for the submitting documents. Okay, so if I'm talk about the NSR, okay, if I'm talk about the NSR e-card, so for NSR, okay, you can go to NSR portal and generate the NSR IT pin, but you can generate before the 15 days of joining, no problem, because that form is only available 15 days of joining. If I'm talking about the non-criminal affidavit, you can submit that as well. If I'm talk about the medical certificate, okay, medical certificate is also important, so it is also open 15 days prior to your joining. दैट्स द मेन थिंग. हम आपको अभी ये नहीं बोल रहे कि सब सबमिट कर दो NSR ई कार्ड या फिर अभी बना के सबमिट कर दो, नहीं, अभी आपको ये चीज़ याद रखनी है. ओके, let's discuss the graduate mark sheet in which you have to mention SEM first, SEM second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth and consolidate. Okay, that is a provisional degree certificate, or if I'm talk about the overall mark sheet. Okay, that's the next thing is related to medical certificate. One most important point, the link will be activated only 15 days prior to your joining date. Ensure that photograph is signed by doctor and doctor seal is affixed on photograph. Also ensure that page number 2 of document is signed by doctor and doctor seal is there. Other qualification, additional non-criminal affidavit, NCA, the link will be activated only 15 days to your joining date. Okay, so we are only saying that, okay, we are only saying that now if you have available documents, okay, just upload on the portal and click on save button. Okay, not on submit button. Understand one my most important point, you have to submit before your final joining date. Okay, after getting the NSR e-card, after non-criminal affidavit, okay, after the receiving the medical certificate, 15 days prior to your joining date, okay, you can submit your documents. When you receive all the important documents, all documents are completed and available, you can click on submit option here. Okay, the next thing is related to after completing BGC, this message is shown, successfully you completed the BGC form and confirm, click here. You can track the status of activity from BGC, please click here to complete. Okay, in the form, okay, in the form it will clearly show when you upload the document. Okay, this is the document name. Okay, like suppose it is NSR e-card. Okay, NSR e-card, so here they mention you can upload that, and here they mention it is accepted or it is rejection. Okay, it is rejected, so they mention that like it is accepted or it is rejected, so they will mention the reason as well. That's the process that I wanted to share. Okay, if I'm talk about the, if I'm saying if I'm talk about the NSR, if I'm talk about the non-criminal affidavit, okay, if I'm talk to like you have to apply for NSR e-card, non-criminal affidavit, medical certificate, and after that all documents is uploaded clearly with all the correct information. Then you have to click on submit option here. Okay, that's the main thing. So that's about the complete process of TCS BGC. I hope this video is useful for everyone. If you have any kind of doubt, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video.